Okay, what we have is the Astro AI True RMS 6000 count digital multimeter. Purchased this on Amazon. You can see that's the multimeter there. This is not a review of that multimeter. This is a review of, boom, this case. This case is Aproca, I think is how you pronounce it. Basically, I was carrying my multimeter around in this box, the box that it came in, and I didn't want to put it in my toolbox or something like that and just have it open and ready to get dinged up or the screen cracked or anything like that. So I was looking around to try and find a case for it. I saw this one was supposedly for this specific model, and I purchased it to see if it will really fit. So let's go ahead and open it up. Sorry I don't have a tripod. Just doing this with my cell phone as a short little video review. So that's what it looks like inside. And there we go. So let's open this up and see. Let's see if it'll fit. Okay, here's the multimeter. There we go. It looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. There is this little zipper pouch right here, and that's for your probes and you know, all the other connectors here that are just kind of in this rat's nest of wires right there. And that's everything, the little adapters and everything else you need. You can put it right here in this pocket. And there we go.